Can you get the Spectrum TV app on your Element Smart TV? The answer is generally yes, but it depends on your specific TV model and the smart platform it uses. Element TVs come with different smart platforms. The most common ones are Zumo TV, Google TV, and Roku TV. Each platform has its own app store and available applications. The easiest way to check if the Spectrum TV app is available on your Element TV is to navigate to your TV's app store and search for the Spectrum TV app. When you search for Spectrum TV in your app store, if the app appears in the results, you can download and install it directly on your Element Smart TV. Keep in mind that some newer Element TVs, especially those with Zumo TV, might even have the Spectrum TV app pre-installed, so you may not need to download it at all. Now that you've confirmed the Spectrum TV app is available on your Element TV, let's walk through the installation process step by step. Once you're in the App Store, use the search function to find the Spectrum TV app. Look for the distinctive blue Spectrum logo. Select the Spectrum TV app and choose the Install option. The download and installation will begin automatically. After installation, open the Spectrum TV app. You'll need to sign in using your Spectrum account credentials. That's your username and password. Some devices may require an additional activation step. If prompted, you'll see an activation code on your TV screen that you'll need to enter on the Spectrum website using a computer or mobile device. But what if the Spectrum TV app isn't available directly on your Element TV? Don't worry, there are several excellent alternatives using streaming devices. The most popular solution is using a Roku device. Simply plug the Roku into an HDMI port on your Element TV, download the Spectrum TV app on the Roku, and sign in with your credentials. Another excellent option is the Zumo Stream Box, which offers seamless integration with Spectrum services and provides access to live TV and on-demand content. Apple TV is another premium option that works perfectly with the Spectrum TV app. It offers excellent performance and integrates well with other Apple devices if you're in that ecosystem. The process is the same for all streaming devices. Connect to an HDMI port, set up the device, download the Spectrum TV app, and sign in. This gives you full access to Spectrum TV on your Element TV, even when direct support isn't available.